YouTube, what is up? It's your boy Breezy Kicks, the sneaker fiend. Now today we're going over the Jordan 1 in the Hyper Royal colorway. Now before we get into the shoes, make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content, follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. Let's get it. The Air Jordan 1 High OG Hyper Royal will take part of Jordan Brand's Spring/Summer 2021 lineup. Dressed in a Hyper Royal light smoke gray and white color scheme, this Air Jordan 1 features a white leather base with royal blue overlays, gray swoosh logos, and ankle collar atop a white midsole and blue rubber outsole. Look for the Air Jordan 1 OG Hyper Royal to release April 17th at select retailers and the Nike Sneakers app. The retail price tag is set at $170 US. I gotta say right off the bat, this shoe is straight fire. This shoe is gonna do crazy resale numbers. Now we will get into resale here in a sec, but before we do that, I wanna make sure you guys utilize all the best options to get this shoe. I'm gonna leave links to places dropping this shoe, places holding raffles, all that good stuff. You're gonna wanna utilize all that information. You're gonna wanna enter in every raffle possible because this shoe is not gonna be easy to get. Now we do have some time before the release, so if you are looking at the description below and there's not a whole lot of information yet, just come back to the video closer to the release date and I will have more information. As we get closer to the release, I tend to get more information and I update the description because this shoe here is straight fuego. I never use that word, but I'm stealing it from all these other YouTubers because they all use it and I'm trying to be like them, I guess. So to start off, for me, the best part about this sneaker is the quality. This is just like the turbo greens, which people have gone crazy for. The first thing I think of when I look at this colorway is like that perfect summer sky. Jordan Brand usually messes up their color schemes, I'm not gonna lie. They'll come out with something really dope and then throw some stupid extra color on top and completely ruin the shoe. And this shoe here, they actually seem like they use their brains. So like I said, you have that faded blue on the outer lays, white on the underlays, you got gray on the Nike swoosh, as well as up on the heel section. Now you do have a white tongue, blue tag up at the top with the Nike logo in white. The shoe does come with white laces. I haven't seen any other color laces for this shoe yet, but I imagine Jordan Brand will throw in some different laces because they usually do that with Jordan 1s. So I'm really hoping they throw in some like light blue laces. I think that would just look dope. Now you have a gray lining, gray insole with a blue Nike Air logo on that insole. White midsole and solid gray outsole. With that being said, let's get into resale. So like I mentioned, people are paying crazy amounts. I've seen anywhere from $800 to $1,200 for this sneaker. Now we are a little early. There's still some time before the release. So I do think that price will drop. But this is a sneaker that I know for a fact will have good resale. I'm gonna compare this to the University Blues where they didn't really ever drop that much in value, and I personally think those shoes are gonna just keep going up. So they're sitting around $450, $500, somewhere around there. And I just think they're gonna keep going up with time. So I can see this shoe going for around $500, give or take 50 bucks right after release day. And then with 6 months to a year, I wouldn't be surprised if this shoe's sitting around 800 plus. So yeah, there's my resale predictions. That's what I think about the sneaker. Let me know what you guys think of the shoe. What are your resale predictions? Are you gonna cop to resell or do you want this as a personal? Let me know all that information in the comment section below. Make sure if you are new to the channel, you subscribe, hit that like button if you like the content. Follow me on Instagram at breezy_kicks23. That being said, it's your boy Breezy Kicks. We out.
I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once, nigga. If I gotta go and make a move, best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. Best believe it's getting done. I don't trust no one but a guy that we trust, nigga. If we getting rated, everything is getting flushed. I done had 12 do that shit more than once.